This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Google account age. Open your browser or open Google app on your phone and then make sure to sign into your Gmail account. Then click on your profile photo and click on manage your Google account. And here select personal info, and under basic info section you will get your birthday. So to change your Google account age, you have to change birthday. So click on it, and now here you can easily change or update your birthday and click on save, confirm, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.